Hello students, our today's concept is Kenizerose reaction. In Kenizerose reaction, aldehydes which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation and reduction, or you can say disproportionation reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. So, aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen, for example, formaldehyde, methanol. As you can see, adjacent to this carbonyl group, there is no alpha carbon. There is no alpha carbon. Okay, so they don't have alpha hydrogen. So, formaldehyde or methanol undergo Kenizerose reaction and they cannot undergo aldol condensation. This differentiation you must know. Similarly, even benzaldehyde also it has an alpha carbon but no alpha hydrogen. So benzaldehyde also cannot enter in aldol condensation but it can enter in Kenizerose reaction. So in this reaction, one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while other is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Let us take few examples. Here you can see two molecules of aldehyde that lack alpha hydrogen, that is formaldehyde or you can say methanol. So this is the structure of formaldehyde or methanol, in that you cannot find alpha hydrogen. When you treat them in the presence of concentrated potassium hydroxide, you will get one potassium salt of carboxylic acid, that is potassium formate. So here what happens, the carbon atom of formaldehyde and the two hydrogen atom of formaldehyde, with that this oxygen atom and one of the hydrogen atom of another formaldehyde and one hydrogen atom of potassium hydroxide forms this alcohol called methanol. Now in another formaldehyde, the remaining is CH double bond O, and the remaining part of potassium hydroxide OK is going to be added to form a salt of carboxylic acid, that is potassium formate. Similarly, when you take two benzaldehyde also lack alpha hydrogen, and when you in the presence of sodium hydroxide, you will get one alcohol called benzyl alcohol and one sodium salt of carboxylic acid called sodium benzoate. So here phenyl ring of one benzaldehyde, CHO, CHO of benzaldehyde, one hydrogen atom of another benzaldehyde and one hydrogen atom of sodium hydroxide, they react to form benzyl alcohol. Now the remaining part of another benzaldehyde is phenyl ring and CO. We have written here. In addition to that, there is a addition of ONA part of sodium hydroxide to form sodium benzoate.